Hi, today for the Xiaomi 13 and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So first we should hold for a while empty space on our home screen and then click on the right down corner to the settings icon. Just tap on it and go click to more. Then you'll see here Google Discover swatcher. Just to activate it or to turn it off, we should click on the swatcher. So now let's go back and we can see that the Google Discover successfully turned off. If you want to turn it on by the same way, go to the settings, click to more and tap to Google Discover swatcher. So as we can see, we just successfully activated the Google Discover once again. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.